Ibotta accounts can run into problems when the same account is used across multiple devices, especially when offers, receipts, or account information do not sync correctly. By the end, you'll know how to use Ibotta on multiple devices correctly, and what to check when the app stops working properly. Ibotta allows users to access their account from different devices, but account activity needs to stay connected to the same login. Using different emails or creating separate accounts can cause missing offers, missing earnings history, or account confusion. The first step is checking that every device is signed into the same Ibotta account. Open the app settings on each phone and confirm the email address matches. If one device shows different information than another, log out and sign back in. This forces the app to refresh your account data. Next, update Ibotta on every device where you use it. Different app versions can create inconsistent behavior when features change after updates. If the app is not loading correctly on one device, restart the phone and reopen Ibotta. Temporary app issues can prevent account information from appearing correctly. You should also check your internet connection on each device. Ibotta needs an active connection to load offers and sync account activity. Avoid using multiple accounts on the same device. Creating extra accounts to access different offers can trigger account problems because Ibotta links activity to user accounts. If you share a device with someone else who uses Ibotta, make sure each person signs out before another person signs in. Staying logged into the wrong account can make offers and cashback information appear incorrect. For receipt submissions, use the account that originally activated the offer. Submitting purchases through a different account can prevent cashback from being credited correctly. If your account still does not sync across devices, contact Ibotta support through the app. Provide details about your devices, the account email you use, and what information is missing. The main fixes are using one account across devices, keeping the app updated, and signing in with the correct login information. Your next step is to check every device connected to Ibotta, confirm the same account is signed in, and refresh the app before trying anything else. If this guide helped you fix an Ibotta issue, subscribe for more reward app troubleshooting guides.